Hello traveler! Today's video is about history and tradition. All of these things are gathered in one place, an outdoor museum in the middle of a crowded city. Before we begin, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us. Now, let's begin. You are probably wondering, where are we heading to? The answer is the National Village Museum, Dimitrie Gusti, in Bucharest, Romania. As you can see, we took the subway to the Aviatorilor station, which will drop you right at one of the entrances of King Mihai I Park or Herăstrău Park. From here, we chose to walk to the closest museum entrance that you will find right inside the park on the alley that leads to the Triumphal Arch. And we arrived. Let's go inside. As the name of this museum suggests, here you will discover the traditional Romanian village life in the most realistic way. This museum was opened in 1936 and houses around 300 constructions that are representative for each area of Romania, including houses, farms, and mills. Some of the houses are opened to the public, so that you can go inside to admire the original furniture and to feel the way people lived in the past. There are many settlements to see, a lot of history and a lot of traditions inside the museum. Walking among the rustic houses will make you feel like you are in the middle of a real village. In front of each building, you will find information about it in both Romanian and English, so that you can discover the story of each one. Inside the museum, you can also find a traditional inn that awaits you with traditional Romanian dishes. if your legs are still strong, you can also visit the Triumphal Arch, which will remind you of the one in Paris. That's one of the reasons why Bucharest is also called the Little Paris. I really hope you enjoyed this video about this unmissable attraction of Bucharest. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next trip.